This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Android TV is awake and on the home screen. This reduces delays when menus appear. On your smartphone, open the camera or the specific app you'll use to pair, because many TVs show a QR for quick setup. Once done, navigate the TV to Settings, then Accounts or Device Preferences so the pairing screen can display. Move through prompts until you see an option labeled QR Code, Connect, or Link Device. Now focus on revealing the QR on the TV. Go to Settings, then Accounts or Device Preferences, because manufacturers place pairing under those menus. Select Link Device, Pair, or Sign In. These create a QR code for quick linking. If the pairing is through an app instead, tap Add Device or Set Up Device on your phone and follow prompts to bring the TV screen to the QR display. Make sure your phone camera is steady and permissions for camera access are granted. Point your phone camera at the TV QR and let the app or camera read it. When the code is recognized, follow the app's on-screen prompts to finish sign-in or device setup. Make sure you accept any permission requests and confirm any PINs if asked. Once paired, verify content and settings on both devices to confirm success. If something fails, restart the TV and phone, ensure both are on the same Wi-Fi network, and increase TV brightness so the QR reads reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.